Hello everyone, so here I am at the Burj Hotel to see if it lives up to the expectations in 2022, which is the self-claimed 7-star hotel. I've come on hotel tour and we all will be checking out the facilities that the hotel has to offer. Starting off with the restaurant is inspired by an Italian restaurant called Restaurant Le Olive, I guess I pronounced it right, where you can get an exquisite dining experience by chef Andrea Migliaccia from Capri's 2 Michelin star restaurant. Aquarium view featuring 40 species of fishes, can you believe that? So that was the quick walk around in the restaurant, and now moving on to the elevators and the corridors. Saw that the place has been uniquely designed and the elevator doors are plated with gold.
Everything you see is gold. It's either gold plated or gold leaf. And the gold leaf, for instance, this would be gold leaf.
And again, as I was mentioning that you'll see gold everywhere in this hotel, we finally came up to the room, and the room furniture is definitely gold, or it is gold plated with 24 karat gold.
The windows are clean the entire year, all year, the whole year. With one side, they go on the other side. So it takes 2 weeks to do each. And the glass is AAA laminated, so you can see out, but they cannot see in. Okay. We've tested it, we've tried it, we've waved at them. Yes, that there's quite a lot of noise with it at the moment.
Oh, damn.
Sweet was so it's inspired of a place in the United Arab Emirates. So the only two that don't have it is the Royal Suite, Greece, and the other one is Greece.
Nice.
Oh, closet, nice.
Sorry, what's this?
Is this like
All
wireless?
the phones that are capable of it.
Yes.
So with the
generation is
generally, if it's glass on the back, it should be able to do it.
as starting at iPhone 8, I think.
No? Or maybe I've not started.
From the outside, and I think some of you didn't expect all these colors, etc.
Really slow, it takes.
Now you probably ask why this weird space entrance?
Wow.
Because it was like you were going into space.
Now, once we saw all the room, moving on to the Sky Bar, which is again one of the special places, one of my favorite place to be at, because the view from there is amazing. You can definitely see the coastline of Dubai, and I'm sure the place, if you come for a bar experience, this is definitely one of the best places you should never miss out in Dubai.
Everything is different, so your
अपना पाएगा.
Okay, so
Guild.
Guild Bar, the latest edition of one of our outlets. It used to be called Gold on 27, but they've just changed it to Guild with a live. Hello.
Wow. Gucci. Really?
We came down through the elevator and we are now moving towards to see the VIP chalets which are next to the pool.
What a concept.
Nice.
Super nice.
Very mushroom. Some drinks, mini bar here, and we give one bottle of champagne, house one, and one.
So this was all about that I could capture in the hotel, as I was not on a leisure trip to the hotel. I was definitely on a business trip, so couldn't capture much more videos, but definitely in future I'll bring you more videos about the hotel and more inside what's inside the Burj Al Arab. So till now, thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.